So I've been wanting to try this new indicator. Check this out. So the line goes like right down the center. So I'm anticipating that it's just going to just act a lot better, right? It's not going to kink up the line. It's going to be far less likely to wrap up, you know, twist in the line. So just goes right in the middle there. Screws tight. Look at that. It's the new indicator from OROS. Let's see if there's a fish right over here. Cast nice. There we go. Fish on. Oh. Oh yeah. Barely saw the indicator move. Come on, buddy. Oh, there we go. Nice. Ate the little San Juan worm. Sweet. So my quick review of the OROS indicators, I do like them. They don't twist up. I haven't had one twisted indicator, and you know how sometimes those airlocks, they sometimes will twist your line up and you kind of have to untangle them. So this one have had no twist. The one thing though you do need to make sure that you do is you got to screw those two pieces together pretty tight. Almost feels like you're kind of maxing out how tight you should go. But if you don't, the indicator will slip down on lighter tippet. I'm using 4X tippet, and a couple of my hook sets slid the indicator all the way down to the first fly. So you have to crank her down a little bit, but no tangles, floats well, casts well. I like them so far. Oh, and by the way, if you need a little help with your fly fishing cast, I put a video together right here that'll help you cast just a little bit better. Some easy tips to help get the line out just a little bit farther. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.